Injongo Youth Development Program, your purpose, our mission. Injongo Youth Development Program is about harnessing, guiding, and finding the purpose of young people of South Africa, prioritizing the disadvantaged youth of the Eastern Cape. Injongo is a Xhosa word meaning purpose. We strongly believe that each human being has been called or chosen for a certain purpose on earth. The present condition of Eastern Cape's youth is not well understood, and Injongo Youth Development is a solution to our current predicament. We've had annual programs in place since 2011, and they're designed to train and mold the talents as we discover them. We partner with communities, media, government to reach the rural and urban youth.